For exceptional portability and lightweight luxury in a mobility scooter, the GoGo Carbon from Pride Mobility has it all. It weighs just 35 pounds without the battery, and it folds down in just a few seconds for convenient storage and transport. On this edition of Mastering Mobility, we're going to take you through that folding and unfolding process to show you just how easy it can be. Now, first, I'm going to demonstrate in real time how quick the unit folds and unfolds, and then we'll take it step by step. So now the unit is folded. And just like that, it's unfolded and you're ready to ride again. Now, let's slow it down. First, simply fold down the seat back. Next, grasp the handle on the foot platform located under the seat. Gently pull up and toward the front of the unit, and the scooter will begin to fold. Once you've reached this position, place one hand on the seat back and another on the tiller and push together until you hear an audible click. That confirms that the unit is now locked into place. You can either keep the tiller raised and tow the unit behind you like luggage, or you can lower the tiller for a more compact bundle for storage purposes. To unfold, press down on this red button located here. That button disengages the lock. From there, use both hands to begin the unfolding process. Make sure the handle is in the correct position to avoid getting caught, and always keep your hands clear of the pinch point. Once you reach this position, grasp the seat back and the tiller and pull apart until the foot platform locks into a flat position. Lift up the seat back, raise the tiller, and just like that, you're ready to go. As the world's leader in performance mobility, Pride is embracing a lighter and more portable future. The GoGo Carbon is a next-generation scooter that will have you moving like never before. Find out more at pridemobility.com.